It has come to my notice. There are some certain set of Igbo people. They go on try to confuse Delta man or try to drag Delta man saying Igbo man. We are not Igbo. And there's nothing like Anioma. More councillor team, more councillor trash. There's nothing like Anioma. Deltas are not Igbo. So yeah, I go see a whole Igbo man with a drag Delta man saying be Igbo, not by force.
The young man said that some Igbo people are telling Delta people that Delta people are Igbo people, that Delta is Igbo. Delta State is not an Igbo state, but part of Delta State is Igbo. This is the map of Delta State. In this map of Delta State, that place that was circled with red line is Igbo land. That round circle is the geographical location in Delta State where Igbo people are indigenous and located. That place is called Anioma, and Anioma is Delta North. Anioma people are Igbo-speaking people. The culture of we Anioma people is Igbo culture. The language of we Anioma people is Igbo language. We are Igbo people, 100%. Delta State is a state that have so many indigenous tribes on it. No tribe owns Delta State. The tribes that are indigenous in Delta State are Igbo, Urhobo, Isoko, Itsekiri, and ijaw. So saying that one of these tribes own Delta State is wrong. Calling the entire Delta State by the name of one of these tribes is totally wrong. It's wrong to say Delta State is an Urhobo state. It's wrong to say Delta State is an Igbo state. But it's right to say that part of Delta State is Igbo, part of Delta State is Urhobo, part of Delta State is Itsekiri, part of Delta State is ijaw, part of Delta State is isoko. The Yoma said Delta is not Igbo and that there is nothing like Anioma, that we should scrap that trash. He said there is nothing like Anioma, which means he wants to wipe out the Igbo identity of we Anioma people. He don't want us to identify as Anioma again, because he knew that Anioma people are the biggest people in Delta State. Igbo is the biggest ethnic group in Delta State. But they don't want to hear that word Anioma again, because they know that when you hear Anioma, you hear Igbo. They know that Anioma is Igbo identity. And that is why so many of them are fighting very hard to see that that name Anioma does not fly. That name Anioma holds the indigenous Igbo people in Delta State together as one people. And that is why we Anioma people, we are expected to make sure that we hold that name tight, because that name is the name that unites us. In Anioma land, we have Ukwuani people, we have Eka people, we have Oshimiri and Anyocha people. The language of all these people is Igbo language, but with different unique dialects. These people know that Anioma is Igbo, and in order to weaken the strength of Anioma people, they are propagating that there is nothing like Anioma, that what we have in Delta State is Ukwuani tribe, Eka tribe, Oshimiri tribe, and Anyocha tribe, to separate them entirely. So that Ukwuani people will be a minority, so that Eka people will be a minority, so that Oshimiri will be a minority, so that Anyocha will be a minority. These people want Anioma people to disintegrate so that the Urhobo people will be the majority. So many Urhobo people are fond of this thing that this boy is doing. The last time I made a post, and in that post I posted where Urhobo people are propagating on Twitter saying that there are no Igbos in Delta State. They are saying that Ukwuani is not Igbo, Eka is not Igbo, Oshimiri is not Igbo, Anyocha is not Igbo. Why? They want all these people to disintegrate. They don't want these people to identify as Igbo, because they know that if we Anioma people identify as Igbo, we are the majority in Delta states. Some Urhobo people are propagating online saying that Delta state is an Urhobo state. When it comes to the issue of Kaduna and Zogo, this set of Urhobo people will tell you that Anioma is Igbo, just to make sure that the 1966 coup remains an Igbo coup. But when the issue does not concern the 1966 coup, these people will start telling you that Anioma is not Igbo. Look at the laws of Delta State of Nigeria in 2008. Here it says Traditional Rulers Council and Chiefs Law. In this table here, the first one is Local Government Council. The second one is Clan. The third one, Sub-Clan. The fourth one, Tribe. The fifth one, Traditional Rulers Title. Ndokwa West, Otabono, Ogume, Abe, Otabobe, Amai. They are called Igbo because they speak Igbo language. Their culture, tradition, and ancestry is Igbo. Their traditional ruler is called the Okpaluku of Otabobe, the Okpaluku of Ogume, and so on. Under Ukwuani local government, the same thing. They fall under Igbo because they are Igbo people. Oshimi local government, Ibuzo Okpanam, they are called Igbo. Now Delta state government write this thing. No be people from southeast come write down. This thing was written by the government of Delta state. Here, the same thing. Ika South, Abo, Abavo, Owa, Utoku, Otolopo, Akumaze, and so on. They are all Igbo. Under tribe here, all of them are Igbo. Tribes that are Isoko people, under here, they are called Isoko. Here, Urhobo-speaking communities fall under Urhobo tribe. Here, Patani fall under Ijaw tribe. Here, they have Itsekiri, Warri South. Their king is called the Olu of Itsekiri. The government of Delta State did not say Ukwuani tribe. They did not say Ika tribe. They did not say Oshimli tribe. They did not say Anyocha tribe. They called all of them Igbo. Now, is Anyocha a tribe? No. Anyocha is a people by region. Ukwuani is a people by region. Their region is called Ukwuani. Their region is called Eka. Their region is called Oshimli. Their region is called Anyocha. But the name of their ethnic group is Igbo. They are Igbo people. Their language is Igbo language. Their culture and tradition is Igbo. That is why the government of Delta State did not say Ukwuani tribe, Eka tribe, Oshimli tribe, Anyocha tribe, because they know that these people are Igbo people. During the Biafra War, Urhobo people were telling Nigeria army that Ukwuani people are Igbo people. Their language is Igbo language. Their name is Igbo name. You see all these Ukwuani people down to the east, all of them are Igbo people. But we Urhobo people, we are not Igbo people. We don't speak the same language with them. And because of that, the Nigeria army started killing Ukwuani people. Ukwuani people that ran into Urhobo land for safety, Urhobo people were killing them. This is a known fact. Go Ukwuani land, ask our elders this thing. They go tell you the same thing. It was because of that Biafra war that Urhobo people denied Ukwuani people. That Urhobo people were telling Nigeria government that Ukwuani people are Igbo. That made Ukwuani people to stop greeting Migwo. In the past, Ukwuani people were greeting Aje, Otofe. They were also greeting Migwo, which is an Urhobo greeting. But after that betrayal by Urhobo people, Ukwuani people now put an end to that greeting called Migwo, and they started to greet Aje and Otofe. If una don say our Igbo brother, they talk say Anioma is Igbo, you go dey pay una for body. Why they pay una for body? Does Delta State belong to Urhobo people? No. Is Delta State an Urhobo state? No. Why are you saying that there is nothing like Anioma? If there is nothing like Anioma, then there is nothing like Urhobo. You Urhobo people are there saying Isoko people are our brothers, so we are Isoko people, we are one people. Oh. But when you see Anioma people saying that they are one people, that they are Igbo people, that they are one people with our Igbo brothers in the southeast, body go start to dey pepper una. Why body dey pepper una? This set of Urhobo people will tell you, Delta State don't have Igbo people in it. What we have is Ukwuani, Ika, Oshimili, and Anyacha. They don't speak Igbo language. Their language is not Igbo. When the capital of Delta State was put in Asaba, Urhobo people became angry. They started saying, why Delta State capital go there for Igbo land? They didn't say, why will the capital of Delta State be in Oshimili land? Why is it that Oshimili tribe took the capital of Delta State? They don't talk like that. They said, why will the capital of Delta State be in Igbo land? And when an Ukwuani man contested for governorship, Urhobo people told him that they will never vote for him, that he's an Igbo man. That how can Delta State capital be in Igbo land and an Igbo man will be the first governor of Delta State? They refused. They did not vote for him. And their brother Ibru won the election and became the first governor of Delta State. Why will the capital of Delta State be in Igbo land? Why will an Igbo man be the first governor of Delta State? That man that they are calling Igbo man is from Ukwuani. And today, this idiot from Urhobo is saying that there is nothing like Anioma, that we should scrap away the Anioma identity. Ozwai. This Urhobo boy is an Ozwai. Anybody that is fighting the Igbo identity of we Anioma people, now Ozwai that person be. Okpe people are saying that they are not Urhobo people. So many Urhobo people not feel sleep. Up and down for social media now, so Urhobo people they force Okpe people. Okpe is Urhobo, Okpe is Urhobo. You people are not separate from us. We are one people. Even when some of them not even they hear the language of Okpe, they see they talk say Okpe is Urhobo. If they add the landmass of Okpe and the landmass of isoko to Urhobo landmass, they go plenty. They go get voice. They go get landmass. They go get space. Why are you people saying that Anioma is not Igbo? Why Igbo-ness they pain una so much? If I just hear say this place na Igbo, but you go dey pepper una. You people are uniting, but you don't want we Anioma people to unite. You don't want us to unite with our brothers in the southeast. You want us to scatter so that you people will be a majority in this Delta State. This is why we Anioma people are expected to make sure that we actualize this Anioma state and join our brothers in the southeast. Make this Urhobo people, may they collect Delta State, enjoy for themselves. May they carry Delta State for head. Let's get Anioma State and be the South. We don't want to join the Southeast. Siam, just look at their mindset towards we Anioma people. All those Anioma people, they never make Anioma State join Southeast. Make una Siam now. They said that there is nothing like Anioma. There is nothing like Anioma means there is nothing like Igbo in Delta States. As some Anioma people, they don't say Anioma is not Igbo, they are not Igbo. Why these people not go see una finish? Deep down for these people mind, they know say una be Igbo, they call una Igbo. But because when they don't say una not be Igbo, say una they fear for the unknown when not they exist. They use it as an opportunity to carry out their own agenda by spreading that same information that there are no Igbos in Delta States. Anioma people that are against the Southeast zone of Anioma State, you people should wake up. The time when Urhobo people go start to agitate say they want Urhobo State, Anioma people not go fit match them for politics that time, because these Urhobo people, they are very good in playing politics. Anioma don't know how to play politics. So if you dey wait say make the zone Anioma State go south, say if you don't get Anioma State now, say make we wait till they go talk say they want create state for south. Anioma people should come at that time. Let's know if these people will allow you people to get your Anioma State and join south. That time, now this same Urhobo people go to talk say, you Anioma people, you people are not from the south. You people are southeast. Get your state and join your southeast brothers. Leave south for us. They go tell like that. Ijaw people that are looking for to read the state, we say, you Anioma people, you people are supposed to join your brothers in the southeast when the southeast gave you the slot. Why are you people now following we south people to be dragging that you want Anioma State to be created for south? Do you people belong to the south? You people are Igbo people. Join your brothers in the southeast. We will never allow you Anioma people to take this slot that was given to we south people. Our people, some of our people for this Anioma, they know they see all these things. They know they study human psychology. They don't know human behavior. That's why if you see some of all these people from Ijaw, they talk say Anioma is not Igbo. Some of all these Urhobo people, they talk say Anioma is not Igbo. When the time come where you go to say these people go give you this law, say you are their brothers, now that time they go remind you where you belong. The reason why Anioma people don't have competition in this Anioma State creation is simply because the state was not proposed to be in the south. If to say dem propose am say make e dey for south, Urhobo people go start to dey agitate for states. Ijaw go start to dey agitate for this their Tori Ibe state. Ogoni people go start to dey agitate for their states. So many state agitators go come out, and at the end Anioma state will never be created, because they will say you people should get your state and join your brothers in the southeast. Anioma people wake up. Una dey see all this rubbish where this set of Urhobo people dey talk, na wetin dey for their mind. They see we Ukwuani people as Igbo people, they see Ika as Igbo, they see Oshimiri and Anocha as Igbo. All of us that speak Igbo in this Delta state, we are Igbo people. We are not separate from each other. Ukwuani is the name of our region, that is the name of our dialect. Ukwuani is Igbo language. Same with Ika, same with Oshimiri, same with Anocha. Igbo bofu. We will keep debunking these people so that the world will know that these people are lying. They have an agenda to divide the Igbo, but they will all fail Makana Igbo bofu. Remain blessed, my people. Anioma state is coming. Ishe wale.